What if I told you there's one nut, just one, that could help you live longer, protect your heart, balance your blood sugar, and even sharpen your memory? It's not some exotic superfood. It's likely sitting in your pantry right now. And today, we're diving into the number one nut that can extend your life by 10 plus years, especially if you're over 60. It's simple. It's powerful. And if you eat it daily, your body will thank you in ways you can feel and measure. Stick with me to the end, because I'll also show you the exact amount you need to eat to unlock all these benefits without overdoing it. Part 1. Why nuts matter for seniors. As we age, everything gets a little more delicate: our heart, our blood vessels, even our memory. But the right foods can act like a natural multivitamin, repairing cells, reducing inflammation, and keeping us strong. And nuts are one of the most concentrated sources of life-extending nutrition out there. They contain healthy fats for heart health, plant protein for muscle maintenance, fiber to regulate digestion and blood sugar, and powerful antioxidants to fight aging from the inside out. But not all nuts are created equal. Some are better for snacking, some are better for your skin. But one nut stands out when it comes to longevity. Part 2. The number one longevity nut, walnuts. So what's the number one nut to help you live longer? It's the walnut. That's right, the humble, wrinkly walnut is one of the most powerful longevity foods on the planet. According to a study published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology, people who ate just 5 servings of walnuts per week reduced their risk of early death by up to 26% and added over 10 years to their lifespan on average. Why are walnuts so special? Let's break it down. Part 3. 5 reasons. Walnuts add years to your life. 1. They protect your heart. Walnuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, the kind that lower LDL, bad cholesterol, and reduce plaque buildup in arteries. This means better blood flow and a lower risk of heart attack or stroke. 2. They fight inflammation. Chronic inflammation is one of the silent killers behind diabetes, arthritis, and even cancer. Walnuts contain powerful antioxidants like polyphenols that calm inflammation and help your cells repair. 3. They support brain health. Have you ever noticed that a walnut looks like a brain? That's not just coincidence. Walnuts boost cognitive function, improve memory, and may even lower the risk of Alzheimer's. Studies show that older adults who regularly eat walnuts perform better on mental tests and show slower cognitive decline. 4. They balance blood sugar. Despite being a source of fat, walnuts don't spike your blood sugar, they actually help regulate it. The fiber and healthy fats slow digestion, reducing sugar crashes and supporting insulin sensitivity, a game changer for anyone with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes. 5. They help you stay lean and strong. Walnuts are calorie dense, yes, but they also help control hunger. That means fewer unhealthy snacks, better metabolism, and more muscle preservation, even in older age. Part 4. How much to eat and how to use them. So, how many walnuts do you actually need? Just a small handful a day. About 7 whole walnuts or 14 halves. That's it. More doesn't necessarily mean better, but consistency is key. Here's how to add them to your routine. Sprinkle them on oatmeal or yogurt in the morning. Add them to salads for a crunchy twist. Blend them into smoothies or homemade energy bites, or just eat them raw as a midday snack. Avoid sugar-coated or heavily salted varieties. You want them plain or lightly toasted for maximum benefit. Part 5. Bonus longevity combo. Want to supercharge the effects of walnuts? Pair them with berries, especially blueberries or strawberries. The antioxidants in berries team up with walnut nutrients to boost blood flow to your brain, reduce blood pressure, and fight cellular aging. It's a delicious combination that tastes like dessert, but works like medicine. So here's your simple challenge. Add a handful of walnuts to your day for the next 7 days. Track how you feel. Your energy, your focus, even your mood. The difference might surprise you. Let me know in the comments. I'm starting my walnut challenge today. And if you found this helpful, make sure to check out our next video. The top 5 foods that clean your arteries naturally. No pills needed. Click it now and give your body the fuel it's been craving. Because a longer, stronger life isn't found in a pharmacy. It's found in real food. And it can start with a single walnut.